This is a DIY mobile which make use of a principle of moment. So why is it DIY? Because they only give you 1, 2, 3, 4 rods and 5 so-called swallow, right? You're supposed to assemble up themselves and balance it based on principle of moment. For example, like this one, this set, right, is almost equal because on this beam there are only one swallow here and one swallow here, so the distance here is almost the same. But when come to say this one, this side has 2 swallow and this side has 3 swallow, so basically it's about 2 is to 3. The ratio is about 2 is to 3.